What's up guys? So, I'm here at the SM Cinema General Santos kung saan naglagay na sila ng bagong attraction dito, Wicked Attraction. Na kung gusto niyo mag picture with your friends if you're flying solo, di ba, with your family, with your loved ones, with your jowa, di ba? Okay, you can selfie here, selfie there, 0.5 lang. Okay, tomorrow to, meron kasi silang block screening. May event dito yung isang organization and they installed something here para sa photo opportunities. I'll be here tomorrow at 4 p.m. to siguro until 6 p.m. And I hope to see you in your green and pink attire if you want to enjoy the experience. Yan, tulad nila, meron sila may kanya-kanya activation ang Wicked worldwide. But here in the city of General Santos, unti-unting mga kooperasyon ang SM City Gensan along with the fans like me. So tomorrow is another opportunity for us to dress up and feel wicked. So see you tomorrow. I'll be your wizard. Or baka I'll also bring Fiero with me again. Kung gusto ko. Kung gusto ko. Okay, so saya-saya naman napipicture you. So I hope to see you tomorrow. Meet us.